Module 4, Convincing, Introduction. Welcome to Module 4 of Communication with Clients and Families. In this module, we will focus on convincing reluctant clients to cooperate. This module has 5 sections. The first section is the introduction, which includes this overview, as well as an opportunity to review vocabulary that you will encounter in this module. In the communication focus section, you will focus on language needed to convince reluctant clients to cooperate. After a number of formative activities, you will demonstrate what you have learned in a summative quiz. In the module's special needs population focus, you will watch videos to learn about communicating with clients who have dementia. In the essential skills section, we will continue to focus on numeracy skills for problem solving using metric and imperial measures and 24-hour time. In the last section, role plays, you will apply what you have learned as you role play helping reluctant clients with tasks. In this module, you will complete a number of formative activities. You will try out and practice what you learn, and use self-assessment questions to evaluate your own performance. You will complete 2 summative quizzes, and you will make 1 portfolio contribution. By the end of this module, you should be able to do the following. 1. Interact with clients and family members in a way that conveys warmth, care, patience, empathy, interest, and active listening. 2. Identify and apply communication strategies to use when communicating with reluctant or uncooperative clients. 3. Use appropriate language and intonation to make suggestions, offer assistance, offer choice, request politely, convince, and encourage. 4. Communicate in a way that ensures client dignity, promotes client independence, and respects clients' preferences. 5. Identify and apply communication strategies to meet the needs of clients with dementia. 6. Multiply and add to complete basic numeracy tasks. 7. Convert between the 12-hour and the 24-hour clock times. 8. Convert from imperial to metric and vice versa when recording weight. This module should take approximately 6 hours, but the exact amount of time will vary depending on how much time you spend practicing. Let's get started on Module 4, Gaining Cooperation, by reviewing the vocabulary in the Quizlet on the next page.